Kurogami, Jaspi, welcome guys. I got GPT assistant here again. I want to try get it to actually work. See if I can do that this stream. Yo, Kurogami in the chat. Let's go. Okay. So what kind of stuff should we focus on today? Finding posts on Reddit pages could be interesting. I don't know if you saw my video on the web browsing GPT app Kurogami, but that's what I'm trying to work on today. It wasn't working very well last time, but I'm gonna see if I can make it work. Whoa, it actually went to the right website this time. Browser navigate, browser click. But what's the output? Mr. Crago. Hello. How are you doing today? So I'm not too sure what this is doing. Seems to be navigating to new, okay. Even though that's what it was. Just refreshing. It never stop. It's cool how it can do browser navigate. I don't remember it being able to do that before. Like navigate directly to a URL. Where is that defined? Here are all its actions. Terminate, browser input. And where was the prompt again? Prompt TSX. No. Prompt. Where's the original prompt? I found it yesterday. You are here. You are an assistant that takes actions based on prompt. Wait, what? Actions you can take: load a website, click something, input something. Ask a question. I swear I did all these changes that I can't see anymore. I must be bloody tired. Oh. No. I was gonna say maybe because I was in Conda, but this isn't even a... This isn't even a Python project. Craig says, I'm having trouble getting Agent GPT to save files in my downloads folder. Yo, thanks Kurogami for the 14 roses. Craig, I don't think Agent GPT can save files for you. The only way you can get output from Agent GPT, from my understanding, is saving the conversation with those 3 buttons. I don't think it can actually like create files, unfortunately. I want to see if I can add a action called take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of the website, like action, browser, screenshot, selector, some. Wow, it does selectors? Dude, I do not remember reading this. Maybe I was reading a different prompt before. Yo, I'm getting all these gifts. Vic Silent, Violent, thank you for the 29 roses. That is a lot of roses. Oh, but then Kurigami came with 62 roses. Wow, I don't think I've ever gotten that much roses. And the love you and hand hearts. Thank you guys so much. Craig says God mode can? So God mode can save files? Oh, I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to try see if I can get this assistant to take screenshots of web pages. So where have they defined like browser click? Let's see that. Let's see where that in run action. Okay, so let's make a new action here. We're going to call it screenshot action, browser screenshot, just like we said before, right? In here, can you do? No, you can't. Yeah, browser screenshot. And we'll have it here as well. Okay, where else do they say browser click? Here, if action equals browser screenshot. Yeah, like that. No, like this. Screenshot. 43 more roses, 74 roses. Kurigami, damn, how many roses are you gonna give me? How many is that? That's over 100. That's like around 160 roses. Wow, thanks so much. Alright, browser screenshot, selector. Now instead of page.click, we're gonna find out how to take a screenshot in. Why is this complaining? Selector is declared but never used. It's alright, I'll use it. How to take a screenshot in Puppeteer. Let's see what Google has to say. Kurigami with the treasure box. Might stop when my phone dies. I'm at 1%. Damn. On their dying breaths, sending all these gifts. Thank you so much, Kurigami. Page.screenshot. What options do we have? Path to save it. Type clip. Clip region. You can't. Oh, I'd be sick if you could screenshot a selector. Is that possible? So instead of the whole page, I just want one element. Or elements. Oh. Screenshot element Puppeteer. Let's see. Mahdi Shams. Hey, how can I use ChatGPT if it's not allowed in my country? I'm not sure. Maybe a VPN? Screenshot page. Screenshot element. Here. Wait for selector. Element.screenshot. Sick. Okay. So we just do the wait for selector. What's a modify selector? Okay. Do they ever use wait for selector? No. How do they use selector here? Page.click. Oh. I'll still use wait for selector. I'm a good boy. This one's Russian. Wait for selector. Selector. And then the element equals page selector element dot screenshot. How does the path work? Screenshot. I don't know where the default path is. Oh, it's like this. I mean, let's leave it as default. Alright, let's see if this will work. Oh, I'm not even running it. I want to see if I can take a screenshot of one of the posts on Auto GPT subreddit. Matty Sam says it doesn't work. Oh, do you have any way I can get an American phone number and not an eSIM? I don't know if it still works, but you used to be able to get Google numbers, but I'm sure they wouldn't make it easy to get one from outside the country. Alright, let's see. I wish this had a dark mode. Screenshot the first post on r/Auto GPT. It navigates to it. Browser navigate, scroll item first child, scroll item first child, scroll item first child 3 times. Is it gonna keep doing that? I should add. I'm stopping that. A cool thing I found out with, what project was it? Oh yeah, when I was making AJI, I added a thing in the prompt to say don't repeat yourself, and it actually made the output better. Lacoste, hi, thanks for saying hi. Camp Rons, thanks for the follow. 4x Crypto, welcome to the stream. So I'm gonna add that to the prompt to make it hopefully stop repeating itself. I don't know. Your prompt is the previous actions you took were that. What will the next action you will take will be using the functions above. Give a single action to take. Please only output one next action. I'm going to also add do not repeat your last action. Let's see. Why are all these clear actions? Okay. Browser navigate. Browser screenshot. Hectic. I don't know where that saves. Stop. See if I got any new files. I do not. But the browser screenshot should have worked, right? don't know where that saves, if it saves. Violent says, what's the purpose of the screenshot you're looking for? So I was joined a bit late. That's all good. This is like just a test for now, but in the future it could be used for like web scraping purposes. I'm just trying to see what the possibilities are with a tool like this. Assistant GPT that can browse the internet for you. Lacoste says, do you know any AI for detection of vulnerability on smart contract? I don't know of any that are like specifically for that, but I feel like even ChatGPT might be able to detect some vulnerabilities if you just like paste some of the code in it and be like, any vulnerabilities, please audit this. Act as a crypto smart contract auditor. Alright, let's add a path. I don't know where the location is. If path is relative path, if it's relative to the current working directory. Let's add a path. We'll just add a name for now. Test screenshot.png. Rerun this. It says GPT can give false positives. Yeah, it can hallucinate for sure. I don't think any AI would be like 100% perfect at this stage. Okay. Let's see if it takes the screenshot. Yay, browser screenshot. And do I get the log? No. Right in here. Console. Browser screenshot. I never got this log, and I don't know if I should. SRC functions. I don't know what's calling it. Oh, I didn't even get it. Waiting for selector. And it never got it. Let's see if I can find this one. So I tried to take a screenshot of something with the selector. But that doesn't exist. I wonder why it chose that. Damn, I guess maybe they're hard to find. Yeah, these classes aren't the greatest. Maybe we should just do screenshot page. Okay, we're gonna do screenshot page. We're just gonna do page.screenshot. Easy as that. Because that would include what we want probably anyway, so it's okay for now. Jacknut asks, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to use this assistant GPT tool that you might have seen in my latest video. The AI that browses the internet for you. I'm trying to make that actually do useful stuff. Like, I think taking a screenshot could be useful. And then after that, let's try do saving a text file. Maybe. Yeah. Navigate. Browser screenshot. Cool. Open the screen. I was trying to open the screenshot. I'll stop it there to see if I got any new files. I did not. I don't know where it would post, where it would save it. Like the working directory should just be this, in my opinion. But I don't know. Yo, Ronnie Valdo, how you doing? I'm using this GPT assistant. I'm trying to get it to take a screenshot of like a Reddit page, of the Reddit front page this time. Let's see. It's going to the page pretty well. It does that pretty consistently. Checknut says, is it running on your machine? Yes, yes it is. My local host. Okay, took a screenshot and then terminated. Oh, here it is. Awesome, I just had to give it a file name. Yay, we did something. Why is it so dark? I guess there was this pop-up. This like 1 pixel pop-up. What is that? I don't know. That's weird. JWGU asks, can Auto GPT solve the hack the box machines? At the moment, I don't think there's really much Auto GPT can do. Look, check this out. I was on their subreddit trying to just find content. And I was like, all right, let's see what do people like on this subreddit. I went to the top posts. I guess it must have been today. Or did I go all time? Maybe it was all time. Top posts of all time. Oh wait, no, it was top post today. And the top post today is, has anyone built something meaningful? It's like there's so much hype, but like, what has it even done anything? And everyone's like, I've spent like $25 and everything's failed. But yeah, I didn't check all time. Let's check all time top post. This one, found the winning source. Someone recommended this one to me before as well. And apparently this is how you run Auto GPT. You actually have to have like these text files that like give it what to do. And yeah, it's just a bit complex at the moment. I mean, it's not too complex, but I don't really have the patience for that. I'd rather get something like this working. So that's where I'm spending my time right now. Okay, that's cool. We can take screenshots. Let's see what else we had. I had some notes here from last stream. Someone said try get it to group emails into folders. Unsubscribe from all unread emails, but ask before doing so. I thought this one was a cool one. Scrape data and save it into a CSV file. This is what I kind of want to do next. So how would I do it is a great question. Like if I wanted to save all the latest posts on that GitHub, I mean that Reddit page, that would be cool. Ronnie Valdo says Auto GPT still in early stages to be fully functional. Yeah, That's right. It's still very early, and like everyone's pretty hyped about the potential, and definitely I can see that. But at the moment, it's pretty hard to get it to do anything useful. All right. Save data to CSV. Oh, one thing that I kind of want to do. GK asks, what distro are you on right now? I'm actually just on like vanilla Windows. Just Windows 10, I think. If that's what you're asking. So one thing I used ChatGPT for today, which I thought was cool, and it'd be nice if I could automate it, is writing timestamps for my live videos. Like, it's not great, but these 2 last streams I did, the timestamps were written with ChatGPT. So I got the whole, what's it called? The whole transcript, which is like way too long, and you can't post it in ChatGPT all at once. So I had to do it in little segments, and I told it to like categorize the timestamps and make them shorter. And I think it's better than nothing. Like, you actually have some sense of what's going on within the stream, like little highlights. So if I can automate that, that would be sick. I don't know if this can go to a website. Let's see if it can. If I tell GPT Assistant, go to and take a screenshot, will it work? Oh, it looks like it did. I swear before when I tried this, it always started on Google and it couldn't. Well, it seemed like it broke. It seemed like it crashed. Like, it had to start on Google and it couldn't go directly to a URL. Whoa. I don't know why this crashed. Let's try that again. Violence says, dumb question, but can you describe what GPT Assistant is? It's something that takes text prompts and turns that into like browsing the internet. So like, imagine you had someone at a computer and you like told them what to do, but they could only use the like web browser. That's pretty much what it does. I hope that explains it. So I'm trying to tell it to go to my my YouTube. What happened? Oh, it crashed. I think I'm gonna try get it to like write my YouTube descriptions for me. That's my mission right now. Ronivaldo, nice content, bro. Thank you. We'll check your channel later. I'm a data scientist focused on AI. Awesome. Join our Discord, Ronnie, if you want to talk about AI. I've been asking some questions, but you know, we could use some more people interested in AI. I'm gonna have let's have a browse of the AI Discords. Like Agent GPT has a Discord, which I think is pretty popular. I might check that out. But if you guys want to join mine, the link is in my bio, in my link tree. Oh yeah, I wanted to know if Anywhere was hosting Mini GPT-4. I think that's awesome. If you guys haven't seen my video on Mini GPT-4, actually it's right here. It's like open source GPT-4 that can view images. And like, you can ask questions about the image. Check this out. Yo, there's an online demo. You can chat about the picture. What is the issue with my plant? Wow, so they've uploaded a picture with like a plant disease, and it's able to tell that these spots are likely a fungal infection. Describe the image. Cactus standing in the middle of a frozen lake surrounded by large ice crystals. We design new mugs. Can you help us with an advertisement? Wow, you just give it an image and it gives you an ad about it. How should I make something like this? Wow, it's given... Yeah, it's so cool. But at the moment, like, no one's hosting it. If there was an API for this, it'd be insane. I'd pay for it. I think you could do so much. Like, I could send the screenshots to it, and maybe you can, like, you know, make websites from a screenshot. Maybe, I don't know. Something like that would be awesome. Or even just the plant, like, disease detecting one. The master says there's some annoying white noise in the audio. Oh, let me check. Thanks for pointing that out, master. Yeah. I think I don't know. Is that just the fan? Oh, I'm gonna mute it and unplug and replug everything. Yo. Check. Check. Still there, huh? I can do this. I can add a gate. Like that fixes the problem until I talk, right? I think it's a bit better. I'll leave it like that. Hopefully. But it's like delayed now. Oh, it's so weird. Bruh. I don't know if it syncs up with my mouth. I'm gonna check YouTube. I don't know if it syncs up with my mouth. I'm gonna check YouTube. No, it's out of sync. Hello. This should be obvious. No, it's out of sync. Hello. It's so out of sync now. Oh my god. What's with this? Yo. Is that better? This should. What's with this? Yo. Is that better? This should. No. It's still messed up. Dude, has my voice always been delayed, or I'm so confused. It was better with the noise. Yeah, I don't know what I did. Let me replug my interface. Check one. Okay. I think I fixed the latency, at least. The fan, not much I can do with that. Like, it's my computer fan maybe, or just the ambience in the room, or the sensitivity of the mic. I can hear it as well. EQ. Yo, that's actually pretty good. Oh, I fixed it. I just made a low pass. Hello. I think somewhere like this. It's pretty good. Okay. Still there, but not as loud. Alright. I think it's much better. Alright. Let's continue the stream. Alright, I was trying to automate descriptions and such. I guess I wouldn't even need to like look at my face there. Need to automate the browser. There should be like a transcription API, right? Python API. I don't want to use Python. Maybe I should use Python. You can just do a GET request on that. Oh. So if I find the video ID, like let's do my third latest stream. That too. What is the ID? It's that. And I just do lang eng. Do I need lang? That didn't work. I was in 2017. Damn. YouTube v3 captions. This is so confusing. What is like the way to do it in 2023? Seems like this Python script. Oh man, it's like that. Should I make it a Python? Let's see if npm has one. npm YouTube transcript. YouTube transcript. Updated on March 21, 2023. That sounds pretty good. Fetch transcript sweet. Let's use that. I want to make a new project. I'll just use this terminal. McDear, what are we calling it? YouTube assistant. npm initialize. Yarn init. YouTube assistant. And we'll add YouTube transcript. And let's open this in VS Code. All right. Import the script and console log it. We need a video ID. Do I have one here? Oh, that was it. and log it. Node index. Import YouTube. Cannot use import outside of a module. Const this equals require this. Can I do it like that? Nope. Nope. So this is like a front end one. Yo, bro, what am I doing? I'm trying to make a YouTube assistant now. To like kind of write descriptions of my videos based on the transcript. Yeah. I'm trying to use this, but it seems like it's for a front end thing, which is okay. I could make it a front end. See how the example looks like. CLI.js. Aha, like this. Oh. They've already made a CLI.js thing, which is cool. I'm gonna copy that. And then you can just input the URL through the arguments, which is very cool. So let's give it this video ID here. Awesome. And it gives out the transcript. Very long transcript. No. Very short transcript. Let's see where it starts. There we go, we have some sound. Always good, check 1, 2, blah blah blah, mix the wrong way. Oh, and 1,000 more items. Okay, sweet. It just didn't render all of them. Do you archive your live streams, or can you... Yeah, you can see all my previous live streams on YouTube. Just go to my channel and then there's a tab that says live, and they're all here. Thanks, shouts out to YouTube for storing everything for free. That's super nice of them. Alright, so now I need to like chunk these transcripts into consumable transcripts for ChatGPT. So here we get the response whole transcript. Now we should make a new method called process transcript, and it'll be like const process transcript equals whole transcript arrow function. And I'm gonna just go for const current current line of whole transcript just go console.log current line.text, because that's really the only thing I kind of care about. I guess the offset to, is it offset in milliseconds? Probably. Wow, that's the whole transcript right there. Sick. I need to design some kind of algorithm that'll chunk these and send them to ChatGPT for analysis. Turn on. It's weird, I have to turn on Code Whisperer every time. It's kind of annoying. So let's go loop through transcript. Now let's say go const current text chunk equals empty. And then add, what should we do? Kind of keep adding the line current text chunk equals current text chunk plus space plus current line.text. Yep. Now I want Code Whisperer to write this. If the current text chunk exceeds, what's ChatGPT's limit? ChatGPT token limit, prompt token limit. 3 has a 4096 token limit. I think token is a word. So I don't want to count the words, do I? Okay, yeah, we do. Let's say if it exceeds like 3,500 words, print the chunk and reset chunk to blank. Will it suggest that? Yeah, split length. Okay, cool. But instead of printing it, I'm going to hit up the OpenAI API, which I think they have an npm package I can use. Yep. Create completion text Da Vinci. Is that how they suggest it? I haven't actually had coded an OpenAI API using thing since ever, from scratch at least. No, that's not what I want. OpenAI node. Yep, I think that's the same thing I was on. Alright, this is the way to do it. Yarn add OpenAI. Nice. Configuration. Let me find the end file. I think this will do. Let me double check. I can't double check. I'm pretty sure that'll do though. Kid ignore. Oh. Okay. Open API key, open AI equals that. Yep. Completion equals model. I do not want to use text DaVinci. I do not. Do they have docs? Specification. Oh. OpenAI API docs. Quick start. Content generation, summarization, classification, data extraction, translation. API reference. Nice. Nice. GPT 3.5 Turbo. I think will be much better than DaVinci. Suddenly goes into using curl instead of do I need that organization thing? No. Alright, we're gonna copy this completion, but instead of DaVinci we will use Turbo. And instead of this prompt, okay, if this is as easy as it is, that's awesome. We will get the chunk here. Prompt equals take the following text and convert it into a YouTube description. No. Yeah? Well, yeah, we'll just see how that goes. And then we can... Actually, we'd have to add... Oh my god. We'd have to add it like this. Current text chunk. Why is Prettier complaining? I think there's something wrong. No? Nothing's wrong. Alright, let's see what that does. There is something wrong. Await is only available in async. Async. Assignment of constant variable. Of course. Whoa. It did something. That was the data. What was the response? Unauthorized. Why unauthorized? Alright, I'm gonna stop printing the text chunk because it makes it hard to read. But yeah, error unauthorized. Maybe a problem with my API key. Let me try to do the same thing with DaVinci just to rule that out as being the culprit. Data error. Looks like the same. Is it also a 401? 401 unauthorized. Okay, so maybe a problem with my API key. So I'm going to try to log that out. In the other screen here. Ah, yes. It is undefined. Open AI key. Aha. Still an error, but my key, nope, my key is also undefined. Huh. Why is that? Do you need something special for process env in Node? Do you need .env? I can't believe I've had the same problem like 3 times this past 2 days. No? No, you don't. .env is for the front end. So I thought. Do it right out of the box. Process what? Sucks how I can't show this as well because it's just like me trying to log out my API key. Basiyasaki, welcome. VS, welcome. I would like to solve it complex maths. Physics, chemistry. Physics and chemistry problems. Cool. Have you? Yeah, I don't think it's very good at math, hey, at the moment. Same with like physics and chemistry. Like it can do basics, but not complex stuff. Yo, DeMarcho. I'm doing well, thank you. A bit tired. Actually, but I'm well. No reason to be sad at the moment. Correct API key provided. Okay. I'm gonna try making a new API key. Oh. It's not liking my API key. Demasha says, found some new stuff. Not since GPT Assistant. I haven't found anything new. Yeah. Max Adventure says, goes to the terminal, installs ChatGPT, and gets access to the entire computer. No, it's not that simple. I'm having issues with my OpenAI API key. Could it say? Yeah, invalid API key. OpenAI. When I try print it, I'm just gonna show my API key. I'll just reset it later. I'm trying to print it. Oh, I'm not even trying to print it anymore. What? Console.log. Boom. Will it print it? Undefined. Ah. What? Do we get anything from process env? Yes, we get heaps of stuff. But no open AI key. Weird. Figured it out already? Nope. Still confused. We're in the same node, can't see .end variables. Why? You need to export your shell. Yeah, it's not a shell, it's a... I'm not using .env. Do I need .env? Oh, I might need .env. That's so annoying. I swear I don't. I always feel like I don't need that, but then it always ends up that I need that. Yarn.env required.env config. That's it. Just gonna do this here in case it just works, and then I don't have to bother. Oh my god. Yes, okay, it worked. Oh, that was annoying. Alright, bringing it back. Bringing it back. Alright, so I'm trying to get ChatGPT to make the description from my YouTube transcript. Can I remember the GPT 3.5 turbo? Let's see what happens. Invalid request. This is a chat model and not supported in the completions endpoint. How do you use GPT-3? I'm gonna have to find their docs, which I had somewhere. I'm gonna clear all of these tabs, open a new window. Open AI API docs. Chat completion, text completion. Is this the API docs? API reference. Making requests. I wish there was one for the JS library. Wait, what? There's so many. And none of them are the one I was using. What the hell? Completion goal. Well, these all have DaVinci in there. How many downloads does this have? 4,029. What did they say? You can interact with the API through HTTP requests from any language. Our official Python bindings, our official node library, or a community maintained library. Okay, so that one I was using is their official one. But they don't show how to use, they don't show an example of how to use 3.5 turbo. Full API documentation? Is this all Node now? Nope. Oh, it is it? List models, completions. Wait. So this can do, no, it can't. Maybe I have to use, alright, whatever, I'm gonna use DaVinci. I don't know if I have to, but I couldn't figure out how to use 3.5 turbo. So let's see. Hey everyone, welcome to my live stream on YouTube and Twitch. Today ABC. Oh, what? Did I just do? Whoa. So let's just add. Oh man, this is so bad. I guess the input is quite bad as well, but come on. Okay, hold on. Let's put this. Let's put this after here. Take the following text, boom, and convert it into a short description of what events took place. Description of events. Let's just see that. Let's just say, take the following transcript chunk. Okay, let's see if that gives anything better. What CryptoPunk is. The speaker discusses installing and using Auto GPT. Nice. Look like tonight, let's say a festive evening happened with plenty of drinks and laughter. Okay, let's give it some more info. Transcript from a live stream. And write a short description for a YouTube video. Let's see if anything better from that. This is a transcript from a live stream by Tech Friend. A web automation about Wolverine GPT is a new machine learning tool that. Why does it cut off so short? Is there something I can do to get a better response? Or is that if I make this only 1,500, what will happen? We'll go. Am I the one that's quitting as well, or? Yeah, it is me. Oh, if I just leave it, it'll continue. Oh. No, it does stop. This video covers a step-by-step tutorial on how to, and then it stops. What? Let me add a break line. Let's see. The Master X says, should you have all the instructions at the beginning? You should have all the instructions at the beginning. By the beginning, you mean before the text? Yeah, I was playing around with it, having the text like before or after or in the middle. I think in the middle works best, but I could be wrong. This is a transcript from a live stream of TechFriend showcasing how. Why does it stop? I don't think this made a difference. There must be a way to. I need some better JavaScript docs. Yes, before the chunk. Okay, I'll see if that makes much difference. The master. Mr. Romantic Bro is all over my For You page. Nice. Algorithm coming in my favor. Alright, we're gonna do the Master X's suggestion of putting the chunk at the end. Let's see how different that will be. I should do that. Actually, I'm going to do that in a side-by-side panel so we can compare them. In this video, Tech Guru Tech Friend goes through a tutorial to install. What I want to do here is print each letter of the alphabet from a. I can't say if that's better or worse. We need it to give out more tokens. Like, why is it stopping so early? How do I define that? I need to find the docs for this create completion. OpenAI API create completion JS. They don't have like proper JS docs. Maybe I should just look at the code. Is there a way to tell from the code what the... Oh, there is some stuff. Set max token, says Mr. Yan. Mr. Yan. Yes, how do I do that? Max tokens. Here. In the options? Whoa, it has a lot of options. Maybe in these options. Max. Oh, here we go. Max tokens. The maximum number of tokens to generate cannot exceed the context length. Most models have 2,000, except for the newest models, which support 4,000. Oh. Should we try 2040? I guess I'll have to change this to 1,501. Let's try that again, see if it gives me something longer. The master says, I don't think that would solve the current problem though. It's the cutoff answer might be something else. Yep. Oh, nice. We actually got a full sentence. In this YouTube video, a programmer explains the installation process of Auto GPT on Windows. He shares his own tips and tricks on understanding and using Auto GPT and provides examples as he goes along. He also organically interacts with the Viewers and explains terminology. Dude, this is really good now. In this tutorial, Jeff Martin, who's Jeff Martin, guides us through the process of installing Auto GPT, a tool used to browse the internet. He explains the different steps and uses programming languages like Python 3.8 and Anaconda to bring GPT to life. This is great. The only one issue is it keeps saying something from the start, which I kind of expected from, like, it always starts with like, in this YouTube video. I don't know what I can say in the prompt to make it not say that, but what my new idea is to take all of these descriptions and feed it into another summarizing layer from ChatGPT or from GPT. Just tell it not to say that. Yeah, but he says it differently. Like, this video explains this video, in this tutorial, in this YouTube video. I think I'm just gonna make up let chunk summaries equal blank, and let's just add the chunk summaries. Chunk summaries plus equals chunk summaries. Yep, pretty much exactly this, but I'll add a new line as well. And then when we finish all that, I'll print all the summaries, and then I'll print the summary of the summaries. Let's make a summary of the summaries. Ultra summary. Ultra summary. And I'll just be like, summarize the following for a YouTube video description. Probably don't even need to say that, but that's okay. And then we'll print. Oh my god. Print the ultra summary. Oh, and I just realized I wrote print. I wrote print instead of console log here. Okay. Let's see if we can get one final description. One ultra description. This version we don't get to see it during it. I probably will put that first print before, because now I'm like, oh shit, it's not doing anything, and I get impatient, and I just like really have the urge to cancel it. I'm gonna oh, just as I was about to cancel it. Is that last sentence the final one? Oh, damn it, as I cancel? No. Alright, we're gonna print the summaries again one by one. Wait, current text chunk. Yep. Alright, so now it should print them chunk by... Whoa! Why is that so big now? Oh, I'm printing the text chunk, not the summary. Oops. Whoa, why is it so different every time? Get a first look at Auto GPT in a live stream tutorial. In this video, follow along tech friend as he sets up and demonstrates. Dude, this is a really good description. Wow. I'm really curious to see what the ultra summary looks like. It's that. It's not very... I feel like it wants... Is it that? Yeah, it must be. I want it to be longer. That's not 1,000 tokens, right? Or is the... What did I set? Yeah, max tokens. Is a token a character or a word? I thought it was a word. How big is a token? OpenAI API. Rule farm. A token is approximately 4 characters. Oh. How big is the context length for DaVinci? Is it DaVinci 3? What am I using? I think so. Yeah. What is the context length? $4,000. Oh, sweet. Let's increase that. 4,000. I guess we'll make this 1,000 as well, because I thought it was words. Cian says, just because you ask for more tokens doesn't mean it will give you that. Ask for a long summary. Yeah, you're right, Miss Cian. Let's also ask for a long summary. Summarize the following into... I kind of want 2 paragraphs for a YouTube video description. 2 paragraphs might be too long. I might only need 1. This maximum context length is 4097. However, you requested... Oh, 440 for the completion. So... Okay. My prompt was 1,112. Let me reduce the word count to 500. 500? Yeah. Oh, wait, hold up. We'll keep this at 2,000. Wait. No. And then make this 900, and we'll make the ultra summary 4,000. Hopefully that would be okay. Let's see. Jacob Boulder, what are we tinkering with? I'm making a script that automatically makes YouTube descriptions from my YouTube videos, from my live stream recordings, using GPT. This is the first script I wrote completely from scratch that uses GPT. I made it all in this stream. It's working pretty well. Look at all these short descriptions about my video. Join Turtleman as he explores the world of automation and browser automation. The context is definitely... Oh, you know what would be cool? If I fed it the previous summary and got it to like add to it or something. Or like edit the previous summary. Damn, the ultra summary was too big. 440 for the completion. All right, let's do 350 or 320. And then I'm gonna add this to GitHub. I'll make this open source. Mr. Yan says max token is a desired length of the response. Prompt plus response has to be less than 4K. Yes. Yes, I understand that now. Alright, I'm gonna add this ultra summary to my YouTube video as well, if I like it. I think I'll like it. Ooh, it's coming. I think it'll be the next one. Maybe 2 more. 1 more. Okay, 1 more. Jacob says, my organization writes software for surgeons. We have a surgical video education site. Sick. Trying to decide what to implement for them on the site. Yeah? How are you going by that? Okay. Is that the, where are the 2 paragraphs? These 2? Confirmation equals input. Do you want to continue? That's pretty good. If they say yes, we can ask for what changes. TechFriend. TechFriend is testing out GPT-3 along with his friends, Jacob and Eric. He's been taking recommendations such as trying to make $1 million in real life, as well as various mobile-specific AI. Participants are enjoying the challenge, and it's proof that AI really is capturing human conversation. If you're interested in these challenges and watching how artificial intelligence is advancing, please join TechFriend on Discord and subscribe to his YouTube to never miss out on the fun. That's pretty cool. I like all these other ones, how they actually mention different things though. Jacob says I might get the transcripts and create embeddings from that into that in our medical journal and our publications, then create a chatbot. Sweet. Sounds useful. Okay, instead of summarize, I'm going to be like combine the following into one long description, like one description of events. I wonder how my API usage is. It hasn't been that much. I've seen people have been complaining about using like $20 in a day or something, but I can't really see myself ever getting to that. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh shit. As soon as I say that, today I've used $1.88. That's got to be from the past like 30 minutes of me just constantly calling this thing. The context like limits is definitely like a big limiting factor to the current GPT progress, I think. Jacob says I'm slightly scared of it writing shit it doesn't know to a surgeon. Yeah, that sounds like really risky stuff. Hey look, Jacob, you're in this description. Jacob confirmed that GPT-3 was a pretty good suggestion and asked for changes he wanted to apply. I really need a way to like draw the line between what was the ultra summary and the mid summaries. So I'm gonna be like, get ready for ultra summary. into one long description of events. All right. Cian says you're using DaVinci instead of Chat 3.5 Turbo, and that's a tenth of the cost. Damn. So if I was using 3.5 Turbo, it would have been like $18. Shit. I actually tried to use 3.5 Turbo, but it said I couldn't do completions with 3.5 Turbo. What's weird is I could do this exact same thing on their UI and it'll be free. Oh, 3.5 Turbo is cheaper? Oh, what the fuck? I couldn't use it for some reason. It gave some issue. Maybe I should Google that. I feel like I have to use another method. We'll get ready for ultra summary. Here we go. It's a different endpoint. Yeah, I'll probably look into that next time. I'm pretty happy with the progress we've made so far. Dude, this ultra summary takes ages. Why does it do it in this format? Confirmation equals input. Do you want to continue? That's pretty good. Oh, wait, I might know why. Oh, it's because I'm giving it current text chunk. No. I want to combine the chunks. Chunk summaries. Oh man, that makes a lot of sense. I was like, why are the ultra descriptions so shit? Oh man. Alright, this time I have confidence the ultra description will be really good. I'm going to do some push-ups while I wait. Still no ultra summary. Yo, Patch. What's good? Alright, here we go. Get ready for ultra summary. This better be a good description. It's thinking about it. It might run out of context space because... No, it didn't. Nice. In this video, TechFriend condenses a complicated transcript from a live stream into an easy to follow tutorial. What? On how to install and use Agent GPT on Windows. I think it got confused with the prompt being part of the transcript. Amogus, yo, welcome back. Watch as they walk through the process step by step. Okay, let me change that prompt. Let's remove the word long. Oh, I didn't even mention transcript. Honey Danny explores a new tool. I want to see, like, it keeps thinking that other people are doing things. And I'm going to be like, take the following live stream from a live stream by TechFriend. Right, take the following transcript spoken by TechFriend during a live stream. Combine the following into one description. Of events. Let me try that one more time. I want to see if I can avoid this stuff. Honey Danny explains, and previously it would be like Eric explains. This is a video of a live stream hosted by Tech Friend where he I want to have a different let's try. I want it to have one sentence output. I'll just save this as a comment. Turn the following text into one line of the event that took place. Let's see if that will do worse or better. I'm gonna assume probably worse. We went live a bit early on YouTube, managing stream layout. We Googled GitHub Auto GPT, opened its... Dude, that's actually pretty good. We did a tutorial on Auto GPT where we first Googled, download the zip. Dude, this is really good. If it was shorter. This is real good. If I could have shorter lines though, that would be better. Turn the following text into very short lines of events that took place. Oh, excellent. This is pretty good. Something like that for something like that with timestamps would be great. I'm starting to question whether if I load the data in as JSON, would it be better or worse? This is real. This format would be really good with timestamps. If I go let's save this in a comment. Turn the following JSON into very short lines of events that took place with timestamps in the form hour, minute, second, and current chunk, text chunk. We will add the whole current line. Comment that out as JSON.stringified. Yeah, let's see if it can give me timestamps. Oh, it's not happy. Okay, I'm giving too many tokens in my prompt now. Way too many. Okay. We need to split it at half. Even less. Looks like it's working. Let's see if you can give me timestamps. Oh, it's thinking hard. Dude, this is gonna cost me a lot. Constantly maxing out the context. Yeah, I'm already at $3. Damn. I should probably learn how to use GPT 3.5. Damn, even the first thing is taking so long. So long. It's cause, oh man. Oh wow, cause it's so detailed. No, stop it there. I don't want to use, oops, sorry, anymore. Jujubes, hey, love the work you're doing. Awesome, thank you so much, Jujubes. I really appreciate the nice words. Okay. No, it has like single line timestamp things. No. Okay. That's too much. How should I do it? We need to, okay. Let's revert it back to the current text chunk being just text, and we're gonna have some new variables, one being chunk start time, and if the chunk start time is 0, chunk start time equals current line dot what format is this? What am I using again? YouTube transcript. Jujube says, do you think we'll eventually be able to do this with Open Assistant instead of Chat GPT? Yeah, I think Open Assistant will eventually get just as good as Chat GPT, if not better, if people keep training that one instead. I could be wrong, but that's my suspicion, that's my intuition. Is there an example of the output? This is annoying. I'm just gonna have to print it for my own sake. Okay. offset and duration. So offset is, I think, how many milliseconds have elapsed. Milliseconds or seconds? Probably milliseconds. Yeah. So current chunk start time is offset. We don't really need to worry about duration. And before we give it into there, I think I'm gonna just have it here. Give the following JSON. Chunk start time. Can you go like milliseconds to hour, MMSS in JavaScript? How do you do that? I don't need the with timestamps. I'm actually gonna do this. Chunk summaries, I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna be like convert chunk start time from ms to HHMMSS string. Let's see what it suggests there. Code Whisperer suggests nothing. It's timestamp string const equals. Come on, Code Whisperer. Nothing. Here, new date to ISO string. Yes, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Substring is outdated. Wait, are there more suggestions? Slice. Oh, I pressed space. Let me enter. Slice. Oh my god, I pressed enter again. Oh, I pressed. Oh my god. There we go. And then I'll have timestamp. Wait. Chunk summaries plus. Exactly. Wow, it knew exactly what I wanted. Okay. So now we'll have timestamps as well. And I guess we don't need the ultra summary. Maybe I do. Accidentally went on live early on YouTube and changed the layout. Plan to do. User asked if there was a class available to run Auto GPT. Gave advice to get Auto GPT for free. Okay, now it's doing it in steps. Let's short description of events that took place. what was the old prompt? I think that one was better. Turn the following into a short description. If I can get this timestamp string. What would that look like? Yo, I got a rose from Robot Squad. Yeah, Robot Squad. How we doing? Welcome to the stream. In this YouTube video, Tech Friend goes through Auto GPT. Oh, thanks, Robot Squad. Oh man, all the timestamps are the same. Oh, it's because I'm not resetting it to 0. Oh man, this is costing me money. How much are we on now? $3.86. It's alright. I'm gonna go till $10. That's fine. It's not that much. What did I do? Oh yeah, I need to reset the timestamp string to 0. Alright, this time it'll be good, hopefully. I know I've said that a million times before, but I have faith. Oh, we gotta, oh no. Current, wait no. Chunk start time equals 0. Nice. Okay, we have updated start times. I want to get that shorter. Right? I just want a few words, right? A few words for a timestamp description. Let's see if that makes it any better, because I do want it to be kind of timestamp thing like that. Let's see. If anyone that's just joined in, I'm writing a script that takes YouTube transcripts from videos and makes timestamp like chapters and a description, hopefully. Tech Fran. Tech Fran. Starting stream, live check. Whoa, that's actually pretty good. Because of this, I don't even need the... It's still doing too many lines, like it should all be under 1. For a single line timestamp description, please. This is good. TechFriend explains how to run Auto GPT on Windows. Yes, this is really good. Single line timestamp description. in less than 7 words, 8 words. Let's see if it can do that. Robot Squad shared the live. Thanks so much, Robot Squad. Iwa, hello. Oh, this is perfect now. This is actually like perfect now. I don't know why there's a space though. I need to remove all the new lines. I need to remove all the new lines here. Where do I print it? Here. Replace all. Wait, let me like const polished timestamp equals and I'll be like remove all new lines from polished timestamp. Yes, that's what I want. Holy Q, yo, what's happening? I wish it could create 90% win rate indicator for FX trading. Yeah. I mean, can a human do that? Ollie said, I just got a message saying my account is at risk from not being able to comment. Why is that? That's so weird. What? Yo, Robot Squad sent a treasure box. Enjoy. Yo, Ollie, I'm making something you might want to use. Actually, maybe not. You don't stream that often on YouTube, I think. But I'm making something that can take YouTube's transcripts and make little timestamp things out of them and write a description as well. It's less than 6 words. Doesn't work too well, but let me configure the max tokens to be higher. No, sorry, the input to be higher. Let's try 600 here. And the max tokens. Wait, we can. Yeah. Max tokens 4. Actually, it doesn't need to be that high. 3 is good. Alright, where I say less than 8 words, it doesn't really. What if I write short in capital letters? Wait, how much did I increase the... Oh, this is really good. Exploring Auto GPT, set up on Windows, live installation, Auto GPT and its potential to scalp Bitcoin. Okay, this is perfect. We pretty much got it. I'm gonna try tweak it a little bit more to add more input context. Like 900. I think that might be pushing it, but we'll give it a go. Well, he says they spent the last 2 hours debugging a race condition. Dude, I hate that. On a flaky test that sometimes failed. Oh my god, that sounds terrible. I plan on making X in 24 hours soon and might stream it, so it could be handy. Awesome. Yeah. Let me know when you're doing that. I'd be interested to watch. I can finally be commenting on your live streams. Okay, this is perfect. I actually got it to like where I want it. I wonder what the ultra summary would be like. Okay, it mentions a timestamp, so I don't want it to do that, but this is fine. This is perfect. I can just copy and paste this into my YouTube video now, and I'll hopefully have it nicely chaptered up. Let's do a test. So it was this video here. As you can see right now, it doesn't have any nice chapters, but if I paste what Auto GPT gave, I don't know, what's my tool called again? YouTube Assistant gave me. We'll have these nice chapters. Let's see. Views on the laptop. No, what? Sometimes it comes up here and you can click them, but for some reason it doesn't, but they're still here. Alright, so let's see. Exploring Code Whisperer. Is this code? Yeah. Excellent. Setting up Auto GPT with Anaconda. So I have problems with click install, so I use... Dude, that's so good. Oh, you're still at uni, Ollie? Yeah, dude. I recently quit my full-time job, and I got to spend so much time doing this AI stuff. And my TikTok account blew up in this past week. I was gaining 500 followers every day for 3 days, a couple days ago. Now I'm at 14k, blessed. Or almost 14k. Dude, I'm really liking this tool. I'll actually use this a lot. Super awesome. Super awesome. Let's run it on one of my other videos. Dude, I'm just gonna run it on all the videos now. It was says, tech friend, what are you creating? I'm curious. I'm making a YouTube assistant where you can feed it any YouTube video and it will come up with those little timestamp chapters that you see sometimes. So I'm just gonna feed it this one right here and we'll see what it comes up with. Ollie says, does YouTube offer a webhook system where it calls when you upload? Ooh, that would be cool. Have it automatically do that. Yeah, that's the future. I don't mind doing the copy and pasting for now because I get to see it, I guess. Don't worry about the ultra summary. Alright, let's see how that was. I didn't even bother reading it, I just copied it. Ayo Melez, howdy everybody, I'm Joel, a software engineer from Ethiopia. I cannot buy ChatGPT Plus. No, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you use the free ChatGPT though? Because it's almost just as good, it's pretty good. Alright, let's test out these. Oh, nice. Now all the chapters are actually here, in this clickable format. So, monitoring Nando AI. Yep. Dude, that's so accurate. Seeing God mode. This one's not God mode yet. These chapters are this long. Summarize. I have to actually... in New York Stock Exchange. Maybe I should make them shorter. Is that a thing? Slightly shorter. I'm gonna make them slightly shorter. D-Comedy asks, what's the difference with Plus? With Plus you can use GPT-4, which is supposed to be a bunch smarter than GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is what the original ChatGPT is based off. Yomele says, I can use the GPT-4 module. You can or you can't? Ollie says the main benefit is the speed of 3.5. Oh, is it faster if you're on Plus? I didn't know that. I'm going to change this to 500 of the input context word. See if that makes some more. No, it'll still only make one. Oh. Will it? No, it'll be doing more calls. Yeah. Way faster, okay. True. Yeah, I did notice it was faster, but I didn't know that was a plus thing. Interesting. Okay, so now we have about 2 calls, twice as many timestamps. So I got tech frame researchers online courses for a K a day. Discusses various GPTs and collaborating with Miles. Whereas this one's Nando AI. That one is actually more accurate. Oh, this discussion is nice. Okay, I might leave it with the 900 input window. Great. I'm going to make a Git repository for this. Oh, John Powers says Bing AI chat runs on GPT-4. I didn't know that. Ewa says, I'm actually planning to create an AI algorithm that will bypass YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter algorithms. How's that gonna work? What do I think about this? I think that's bypass their algorithms? What do you mean by that? I don't know. I feel like that would be hard if they've set something in place and you're gonna bypass it. Oh, you mean like their For You page algorithm? I don't know. I'm curious to hear more about how you think it'll work. I'm gonna start this off with private till I figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Ollie says they don't buy this algorithm stuff. Why do you mean? If people watch your videos and enjoy it, we'll do well. Yeah, but what about on the other side, like what you see? D-Comedy says, I think one of your TikToks mentioned that you travel while working. Yeah, I do. I'm gonna be doing this big travel around Europe and Thailand starting next week. And I'm pretty sad because I won't have access to this Windows desktop and I can't stream with TikTok Studio on Mac, so it's gonna be annoying. Yeah, the video getting pushed to more people. Pushed to more people. 1K says, you look like Adam C. Eunice. And he's Australian too. Who is that? Let me Google him. Adam C. Eunice. Oh, he's a YouTuber as well. Maybe it is me. Damn, that's a nice intro. Yeah, it kind of looks like me, I guess. We both have dark hair and a beard. And he does code stuff too, and he's Australian. He's a game dev. Sick. Well, he's got way more subscribers than me. One day. Awesome. Let me follow him on TikTok. Oh, he doesn't post on TikTok. When did he post this?
This is an AI chatbot.
Last year. Aha, I have more TikTok followers than him. I need to up my YouTube game. I got a bunch of new comments. Wow. Here. This is Skynet starting. This is how Skynet starts. When do you put the API key? Would it check crypto market and execute deals? That would be impressive. This is mind blowing. I've literally wanted to build something like this for almost 2 years but couldn't figure it out. That guy is turning out bangers. His AI command line helper is a gem. Builder.io? Yeah, I gotta look into them as well. Takes forever to do anything, costs $10. Decentralization solves a lot of traditional vulnerabilities. There are better ways to do that, to be honest. I guess you could use GPT to make trades. Okay, back to this. Oh, we got a bunch of comments here. Is there a way I can travel to another country without my company knowing that I'm in another country? I actually kind of did that once. I didn't know if it was okay for me to go overseas, and I spent a week in Bali without telling anyone. Don't they find out that you're using a VPN? Depends where you're VPNing into. If you make your own VPN from your own house, then it might look like you're just from your own house. But they might be checking you in other ways. But like, the whole point of a VPN is to make it look like all the like internet requests are coming from somewhere where you're probably not actually. Do you have to go git branch main? Or can you just, like if I go git push here, can I do this? Master, oh shit, then it calls it master? Okay, no, let's just make the main branch. Details first, commit names, init. You have to start with init. Obviously there's too many changes in the first commit. You can't write a meaningful commit, so it's always going to be init. Init Ollie. Alright, we have our first commit for the YouTube assistant. Should we run it through all of my videos now? I think I will. What's the next video? Or at least like all the GPT ones. That way if I go back to them I can... Another good reason this is good is like if I want to edit clips, I can just use this tool and see where shit happened and then make clips out of that. Very British of you. Yeah, ChatGPT is really good at explaining stuff, hey. Ollie said I saw an AI tool where you give it a long form horizontal content and it generates multiple short vertical videos. Yeah, I saw a bunch of those. There's Video.ai. But my content is like, it's not able to do the type that I want, unfortunately. Alright, we got some more descriptions. Should I add the big description as well? Yeah, let's do it. I'm curious as how it knows that that's how to spell my name. Did I tell it? Because before, I didn't. Before it was saying tech friend. But now it's actually saying tech friend. Oh, I mean that last one I think I did. No, I didn't. What? It like knows somehow. Does it have memory? How does it know I'm at tech friend? I'm so confused. Ollie asks, how much are you spending on GPT credits at the moment? Oh dude, so much. So much compared to my normal usage. Look, this new green bar is me today. Versus all the other green bars is me every other day. Today, $5.43. GPT 3.5 is cheap as... Yeah, but I'm running DaVinci. Is that better? Or am I just an idiot? The only reason I'm running DaVinci is because I tried putting 3.5 in that text field, but it wouldn't work. So I have to use like a different method, and I can't be bothered. Let's look at these. Timestamps. Debugging code for an AI language model to build itself. Yeah, excellent. Creating and running Node Express on port 69,000. TechFriend explores ChatGPT baby AGI code testing more for variety of co-creators and contributors. Live streamer tests out Auto GPT with Google searches, Selenium, and more. Sick. Is this where I first used Crypto Degen? Crypto Analysis GPT. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna add hashtag Auto GPT in this just for the clickbait. DaVinci is a does everything model. How is that different to ChatGPT? I thought, what? I don't know. I'd like to know. If someone knows, please enlighten me as to what benefits DaVinci would have over ChatGPT. Alright, I'm gonna do one more video and then I might call it. Why did I get into this studio view? Get me out of here. Live, okay, which one were we? This one. Hacking Agent GPT. Oh, my hair looks cool here. Oh, I wrote my own things here, so let's leave that. What about this one? Nice, I haven't done anything here. Give me some timestamps software. Edit this. Reversing and analyzing code for Agent GPT to be able to write and execute code. Investigating an LLM chain link issue to debug and deploy. Debugging JavaScript and AI API query. Hourly rate discussed. TechFriend attempts to run commands on a server using Next.js API. Fails. Creates a new project to try again. Creating a new file, running Windows batch commands, and yeah, good enough. I love how I still have this get ready for ultra summary. I should remove that. Git add, git commit, remove collug, git push. Huh? What do you mean no upstream branch? What do you mean? Oh no. Oh wait, I enabled the Windows paste command history thing. Excellent. Save. Tiggy Nuggy, thanks for the follow. Alright guys, successful stream was successful. I now have a tool that makes my YouTube timestamps and descriptions. Thanks for everyone who watched. Special thanks for everyone who gifted, and another thanks for everyone who engaged with comments. Really appreciate all the engagement, guys. Thank you so much. I will be back tomorrow, as I've kept up a good streak of streaming every day. I think 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. Streamed twice that day, 6 days ago. Oh, I think I missed one day. But I streamed twice that day, so it makes up for it. 7, 8, 9, 9, 12, 13, 14. Pretty much been streaming every day for like 2 weeks. Hope I continue this, because once I go traveling, I'll be on my laptop and things will be difficult. But I'll be making more vlogs, probably more in this style, while I'm traveling. That's kind of typically what I do. But these don't get nearly as much engagement as my normal stuff, so that's a bit sad, but that's okay. Ebbs and flows in life, and we will come back strong next time I'm here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you next time.